Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Los Angeles, California. This is an example of a Fuelie edition Bronco in Anvil gray. Combine that with the 18-inch built aluminum wheels, original chassis, and these low back seats of the interior. This is the perfect beach vibe. Now let's go take a closer look. When we're looking for the perfect beach vibe, this is it. It's a San Felipe roll bar, Anvil gray exterior, and this wonderful interior. Low back seats like the original, more comfortable than the original, with this beautiful soft leather interior. Now we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.